Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this week's Accountants Minute. Predictive Accounting, a must-have for every client. My firm recommendation to accountants who are contemplating offering business advisory services is that you read our keynote article this week and reflect on it to think about the type of services you might plan to offer to your clients. The experience in the United States of America is that many accountants over there have now switched to offering 52-week of the year service as virtual chief financial officers. They're doing this based around the predictive accounting reports of the budget, projected cash flow forecasts and projected balance sheets. And they're making that compulsory for their clients. And most of the SMEs are accepting that the budget, cash flow forecast and projected balance sheets are critical documents, and that everything else, the weekly performance reports, the monthly financial accounts, balance sheet, are all documents that feed back in to the original budgets and cash flow forecasts so that comparisons can be made, analysis can be undertaken. At ESS BIZTOOLS we have partnered with Plan Guru, a major American corporation specialising on the preparation of three-way financial forecasts. That's what banks are now looking for all around the world. And we've included in this week's edition an overview of the Plan Guru organisation so you know who they are and what their history is. We're also announcing this week a major promotion between now and Christmas Eve for ESS BIZTOOLS. For each of our product packages for subscribers who pay 12 months in advance, we are going to offer you 15 months access for the 12-month payment, and you will also receive extra holiday accommodation packages. For a business advisory services starter package, you will receive 2 holiday packages, and for an advanced subscriber and a financial forecast subscriber, you will receive 4 holiday packages, as well as the 15-month access. Now those holiday packages and the 15-month access are for subscribers who have paid 12 months in advance. So thank you for doing that, and if you have any questions, please give me a phone call, 1-800-232-088. This week we have assembled a range of articles that we think you will find very interesting as you contemplate the services that you can offer to your SME clients. The value of export market grants has declined again. This is unfortunate. The government has a fixed sum of approximately $185 million for the export market grant. And there were some changes made 2 years ago, and that has led to a lot more applicants coming forward. And unfortunately, this has reduced the amount of money that's available for individual grants. We have full details of that, and perhaps if you think your clients should be getting a better deal than that, you need to get them to start making representations to their members of Parliament so that perhaps some changes will be made in next year's budget, which is not that far away, is it? It'll be May next year. The ATO trying to chase up $45 billion that they claim is owing by SME businesses. So you may have to talk to your clients about that And we have an article submitted to us on the Taxation Office Director Penalty Notices by Colin Tavel from Tax Negotiators. And if you would like to talk to Colin, please make direct contact with him at the email address that is shown. The average cyber crime costs small businesses $40,000. That's a staggering amount of money for a small business. And we have an article there, and perhaps you might want to share that article, which was published in Accountants Daily with your clients. Talent drought fuels race to find offshore accountants. Pardon me. Is another article which you will find very interesting, especially if you're contemplating outsourcing some of your work to offshore accountants. All must probe and plug digital data defences. Will the issues of the last few weeks have really startled a lot of business people and people who are not in business, of course, because of the horrible situation that's now occurred by these criminal gangs. And I think we're all going to be talking to clients about their digital data defences. The government has announced some more support for small businesses that have been caught up in floods, and we've got some details of that included in the material. And we also have the ASIC's top ways to sniff out fraud and some other articles. So that's it for this week. If you would like to get further information, you can go to our website, and I hope you do go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au. If you would like to have a conversation with me about the types of services that ESS BizTools can supply to you, to assist you to introduce a broad range of professional services to your clients as well as taxation, please give me a phone call, 1-800-232-088. Stay safe and have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you again in 2 weeks' time when we release our next edition of Accountants Minute. Goodbye.